I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. If you're looking for a break from social media, but aren't ready to delete your account completely, deactivating your Facebook account might be the perfect solution. Let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly cover what deactivating your Facebook account actually means. When you deactivate, your profile and content become hidden from others, but nothing is permanently deleted. You can log back in whenever you want, and your profile, posts, and friends list will still be there. Even with a deactivated Facebook account, Facebook Messenger can still be used if you choose. If this sounds like what you're looking for, let's move on to the step-by-step process. Now, let's get into the deactivation process itself. Follow these steps. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the menu icon from the right bottom. On this section, tap on the Settings icon from the top right. Now tap on Account Center. Now tap on Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account. From the list, select Deactivate Account and scroll down to bottom. Tap on Continue. Write your password. This is a security feature to be sure you are the one who is deactivating your account. Facebook will ask you why you're deactivating your account. Select a reason from the drop-down menu. It can be anything from just need a break, to too busy, too distracting, or another option that fits your situation. Scroll down and tap Continue. Now you can choose how much time your account should be deactivated. You can choose a specific time, or maybe the time when you log into your account. Tap on Continue. Tap Deactivate Account. Your account will now be deactivated, and your profile, posts, comments, and likes will be hidden until you decide to log back in and reactivate your account. With your account deactivated, here's what changes. Your profile, posts, and comments are hidden from others. If you keep Messenger active, friends can still reach out, and your name will appear in chats. Posts you're tagged in might still be visible to others, but your profile won't be clickable. If you use Facebook to log into apps, make sure those are set up with a separate login to avoid issues while deactivating. If you decide to come back to Facebook, reactivating your account is super easy. Simply go to the Facebook login page, enter your credentials, and sign in. Your profile will be restored with all posts, friends, and content just as you left it. And that's it. Now you know how to deactivate your Facebook account. This feature is a great way to take a social media break without losing any of your data permanently. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more social media tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.